Greetings, high vibrations. It's LaLa, your high vibe coach. Today we are talking about juicing and budgets. You've probably heard the myth that juicing is too expensive. Well, today I am here to crush that excuse. You can juice on a budget without sacrificing nutrition or flavor. And I am going to show you exactly how. From affordable ingredients to smart shopping tips, we are making juicing accessible for everyone. Plus, stay tuned to the end for my ultimate budget friendly juice recipe that costs less than $2 per servings. Let's get real. Juicing can be expensive if you're buying pre made juices or exotic ingredients. But when you are strategic, juicing at home is not only cheaper, but you're also getting fresher, nutrient packed drinks. The key, stick to accessible, affordable produce like carrots, celery, and apples. These staples are cost effective, versatile, and packed with nutrients. So if you think juicing is only for people with big wallets, think again. One of the best ways to save money is to buy seasonal and local produce. Seasonal fruits and veggies are not only cheaper, but also fresher and more flavorful. Think about it: watermelon in the summer, citrus in the winter, and root vegetables like beets and carrots in the fall. Check out your local farmers market or even budget grocery stores. Some stores offer markdowns for perfectly good, imperfect produce. That's great for juicing. Imperfectly perfect. Here's a game changer for your wallet and your health. Focus on vegetables rather than fruits. While fruits like pineapples and mangoes are delicious, they can quickly add up. Vegetables like cucumbers, celery, and leafy greens are cheaper and still pack a nutritional punch. If you love sweetness in your juice, add just an apple or a handful of berries. It is enough to balance the flavors without breaking the bank. Here's a pro tip: buy your produce in bulk. A lot of vegetables can be chopped up and refrigerated without losing their nutrients, like leafy greens. Just wash, chop, so they're ready to go. This not only reduces waste, but it also helps you avoid those last minute store runs. You don't need fancy powders or expensive supplements to boost your juices. Affordable superfoods like ginger, lemon, and parsley are powerhouses of flavor and nutrition. A small knob of ginger or a squeeze of lemon can elevate your juice while keeping costs low. And if you are looking for protein, consider inexpensive options like chia seeds or flax seeds, which go a long way in both health benefits and budget friendliness. Don't toss that pulp either. You can use it for veggie broth, add it for soups, or even mix it into muffins or veggie patties. Not only are you saving money, but you are also reducing waste while adding fiber and flavor to your meals. Now, let's put this all together with my ultimate budget friendly juice recipe. Here's what you need: 4 carrots, 2 celery stalks, a cucumber, a small apple, and a thumb sized piece of ginger. This recipe costs less than $2 per serving, and it is packed with beta carotene, antioxidants, and hydrating. Simply juice everything together and enjoy. Juicing on a budget is totally possible when you know the tricks, and now you do. Ready to level up your juicing game? Game. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by where to start, what recipes to try, or how to handle juicing challenges, I've got the perfect solution for you. I'm LaLa, your high vibe coach, and I've created the ultimate juicing bundle to make your juicing journey simple, stress free, and oh so rewarding. This bundle includes everything you need to juice with confidence and consistency, whether you're a beginner or looking to level up your wellness game. No more guesswork. Get clear answers to frequently asked questions like how many juices should I drink a day? And can I juice while working out? Over 50 mouth-watering combinations for detox, weight loss, and immunity designed with your health goals in mind. Turn your leftover pulp into delicious snacks and meals. Troubleshoot common juicing problems like budgeting, scheduling, and consistency. This e-bundle is designed to save you time, money, and keep you motivated. Download your juicing e-bundle now and start transforming your health today. Subscribe so you won't miss the next video. I'll be talking about juicing for weight loss, myths, facts, and what actually works. Let's get juicy.